Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and acting immediately. You have admin access, enough backup space, and a quiesced application state. Once done, pause services to prevent corruption. Next, pick the snapshot target disk, VM, or file system image, because the method depends on that choice. Then run the creation command or GUI action while the system is stable. This minimizes drift and guarantees the snapshot captures a consistent point-in-time copy you can restore from later. Once the snapshot is created, verify integrity immediately using checksums or the built-in verification tool so you know it's usable. Then tag the snapshot with a clear timestamp, version number, and a one-line description that explains purpose or changes. Make sure to record retention policy and any replication targets, since those govern lifecycle and recovery options. Finally, test a quick read of the snapshot to ensure files, mount, and applications recognize the state you captured before proceeding. To finish, perform a restore to an isolated environment first so you validate the process without impacting production. During the restore, monitor logs and resource usage closely and watch for version mismatches or missing incremental deltas. Once restored, confirm application functionality and consistency. If something goes wrong, check permissions, ensure all dependent incremental snapshots are present, and verify storage health and connectivity. These are the most common causes of restore failure and the quickest fixes when you need to recover fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.